guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through the brand new hair tutorial. This style was worn by J-Lo and I absolutely love it. I love it. She actually wore this style like quite some time ago when she was hosting the show with Neo, and I just saved it and I was like, I'm gonna do that style as soon as I'm able to get some braiding hair. But I would always forget. Y'all, let me breathe. I just did that intro and I'm out of breath. But yeah, I think it turned out really nice. So if you guys are interested in this look, please watch my tutorial. Enjoy.
Just want your sunny days. I want you. 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 Some say that we're too different, babe.
Yes.
Some say that you don't know what I got, but in the sunshine it feels so easy, baby. Yeah, you know it's true. Yeah, you know it's true. Just want your sunny days. I want you. Just want your sunny days. I want you. Just want your sunny days. I want you. Just want your sunny days. I want you.
And you could actually wear your hair in a ponytail just like this, y'all. You just take a piece of hair and you wrap it around. I'll touch out loud. Okay, so what I want to do now is actually go through and make some braids.
I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Come and say something. I wanna hear your voice.
You guys, if you want to, after you do this one braid, you could literally wrap this around and wear your hair like that. Of course, you'd have to make sure that you tuck your braids that you have up under there. But this would be a cute style for someone. Okay, but that's not what we're doing.
All the
Okay guys, we're about to start bobby pinning. So I'm just pulling my pins out. I'm going to start by pinning my own hair. And the way that I'm pinning it is like a ring. See that? Basically, I can stick my finger through it. And I'm taking my hair down to the root when I do mine, so that I can, well, the base of the ponytail when I pin it. So it's underneath there. Now, I'm basically going to do, oh, I still have one left. Just continue to do that same exact thing with the hair, okay? See that? And try to keep the rings at like a decent size. And try to make sure that you also pin the raggedy ends inward. That one's standing up quite a bit right there. I want it to stand up, but at the same time, that one might be a problem later. So, if you noticed, we are also curling them inward, like toward this ponytail area here. You guys see what I'm doing? I hope you do. There's like no perfect way of placing them. So it's like that. Whoop whoop. Pull over there. Too fast. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Oh yeah, guys. Today was Hunter's birthday. If y'all don't know who Hunter is, Hunter is my sister. So let's wish Hunter happy birthday. I had actually filmed a video of me doing her hair. Did her hair for her birthday. But she looked so sleepy in the video. I was like, I'm not even gonna embarrass you like that, girl, because you looked a mess. She had bags under her eyes. You could tell she was tired. It was late night. She wanted her hair done, and once we took her hair down from the other style that I had done for her, we realized she actually needed to wash her hair. So we had to shampoo it. And by then it was late as crap, and she had to work the next morning. Y'all, she had bags under her eyes, and I just couldn't do it like that. So I'll do the style on my hair that I did on her hair. It's very simple. And that'll just be that until we're able to get her back on the channel. But wish her a happy birthday down in the comments. Her birthday is March 28th. She's a grown woman now. Well, she's already grown, but she's really grown now. Okay, so where are we gonna start? With this ring right here. I think we'll start here because I don't think we have one right there. Yeah, y'all. The older my sister gets, the older I realize I actually am. Yup. I'm like, damn. I'm getting up there. I'm getting up there. I need my husband to present himself. Husband, come on now. This one can go here, I think. And that's it, y'all. What do you guys think? Y'all have been waiting to do this style. I thought it was so unique. Y'all know how I am when it comes to unique styles. I like anything different. Well, I'm not going to say anything. Because that style that I saw on Instagram with the Barbie heads was kind of scary. The mohawk. But this is really... Hold on, I have some pieces hanging somewhere. I'm not sure where they are. I can see them in my camera. They're on this side. Let's hide that. But yeah, I think this is a really nice style. I'm going to show you guys how JLo's looked here. You guys tell me what you think of mine. Like, how did I do? Would you guys wear this? You wouldn't wear it? Let me know down in the comments. Yeah, so this is the style. I hope that you guys like it. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big old thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.